happiness means that you have a smile on your face and you really like to play with someone. When you're not sad or mad. To be friendly.
Being content in whatever you're doing. Yeah. Things that make you smile, things that make you feel like you want to be there, and just people who make you feel like you can do whatever you want and you won't get judged for it. And
it's for you to be joyful, be nice, and you're basically in a positive mood.
And you smile. Something make me happy about my mom be happy to me.
That's easy. Ted makes me happy because he gives me loads of cuddles and gives me massive kisses in the morning.
When my dad does something nice for me, or when I do something nice for my dad.
My friends make me happy.
Really?
Especially BB. He tells lots of jokes. I like if I eat pasta because pasta is delicious. Seeing my best friend.
no homework.
To see your face, your funny face.
Soccer.
Song Joong Ki.
Swimming and skipping.
Read books, movies, watch movies.
Going underwater.
Eating.
Maybe the sport itself, it requires a lot of teamwork, and that makes me happy.
I just like the thrill of singing. It just makes me happy.
Xbox.
I see a picture of someone, I just try to edit their face to put mustache and put nasty eyebrows like that, so that what makes me laugh every time.
My 13 cats make me happy.
Football and watching Ronaldo play.
Can traveling around. I like traveling.
I like playing with my cats, and they make me happy very much. My kids, especially.
Just imagine the possibilities if there were more happy and positive people in this world. A world with more peace, optimism, and compassion is possible. Like a pebble thrown into a pond, it only takes one to create the ripple of happiness. Happiness is so contagious and infectious that one positive person can spread happiness to more than 1,000 people. That means all it takes to create change on a local, regional, state, country, global scale is one person. And research shows that just by spreading happiness, you actually become happier. You can choose happiness and choose to share it. You can be the catalyst to spread it directly and indirectly. Are you that one? It starts with you, yet it's bigger than you. Happiness is bold. It is courageous, audacious, and challenging. You have the power to choose happiness and to spread it. Join the movement, share the movement, be the one who makes the difference, and live happy.